Over the years, I've learned one important thing, and that is to save money, you have to not spend money. Just kidding, it's impossible not to spend money. That's why you will need to master the art of spending with credit cards. While there are tons and tons of credit cards out there, here's a secret that not many people know. Choosing credit cards is like the Yu-Gi-Oh card game. If you manage to gather the correct cards, you will immediately win the game. So in this video, I will share which cashback cards you should get in order to beat the cashback card game and earn the most amount of cashbacks possible. But before I start, I would greatly appreciate it if you can help to tap the like button and subscribe to stay updated. In return, I will show you a cute cow. Alright, let's start right now. For the first category, we have offline and online expenses. For this, the card to use is the UOB One card, or also known as Singapore's most generous cashback card. Here's how the card works. If you can spend at least $500 every month for 3 consecutive months, you will receive 3.33% cashback. So, for example, if you spend $500 every month for 3 months, you will receive $50 cashback for that quarter. But here's where it gets exciting. This card gives additional cashback for some categories, like dairy farm merchants such as 7-Eleven, Cold Storage, Giant, Guardian, Grab transactions like Grab Taxi, Shopee transactions, Simply Go, Shell, and Singapore Power. If you can hit at least Tier 1 or $500 minimum spend, you will earn additional 5% cashback on most of them, while SP transactions only give you 1% additional cashback. So, for example, if you have $500 minimum spend and you go buy stuff at Giant, the total cashback that you will get is 3.33% plus 5% or 8.33% cashback, which is huge. Then, if you can hit Tier 3 or $2,000 minimum spend, the cashbacks will be even higher. However, take note, this card excludes certain categories like Grab Mobile Wallet Top-up, Shopee Pay Wallet Top-up, insurance, hospitals, schools, charity, tax payment, and so on. But for all the rest, if you can meet the $500 minimum spend, you will earn at least 3.33% cashback, which is actually quite good. Now, I know there are other cards which give much higher cashbacks, but here's the thing, it's not that easy to get these high cashbacks because there's always some sort of criteria. For example, to earn that 6% cashback on OCBC 365, you will need to spend at least $800 per month. While UOB Evo has a lower $600 spending requirement, they also have a super low $20 cashback cap for online and mobile contactless spend. As Mount Lion had pointed out, because of this cap, your effective cashback drops to 6.7%, and the amount of cashback that you can actually earn is quite low. This is the same for CIMB Visa Signature Card. While it gives a 10% cashback, it's only applicable for specific categories like beauty and wellness, grocery, online shopping, and so on. Meanwhile, for UOB One, they give at least 3.33% cashback for the usual categories like contactless payment, online spend, Simply Go transactions, telco, and utilities, which makes it a super good all-rounder card for your day-to-day spend. An additional benefit is that if you are also using the UOB One account and credits your salary via gyro into it, you will get a 1.4% interest on your savings, which is one of the highest among all the other high-interest accounts out there. However, the biggest downside of this card is that you will need to meet the $500 spending requirement for 3 consecutive months. If you suddenly underspend for this 1 month, you won't get any cashbacks at all. Quick pause, let me share a quick message from this video's sponsor, Weibo. This month, Weibo has further improved the sign-up bonus to $130 worth of free Tesla shares. All you'll need to do is deposit at least 2,000 SGD into Weibo, make one buy trade on either US stocks or US ETFs, make another buy trade on US option, while maintaining a 2,000 SGD net account value for that 30 days, and you will receive all your rewards. So, if you are interested, you can sign up with my link down below. With that being said, let's get back to the video. So, if your expenses is low, you will need to use a no minimum spend card. For this, I recommend using UOB Absolute Cashback card, then pair it with Grab Pay card. Here's why. UOB Absolute Cashback card gives a generous 1.7% cashback with no spending exclusions. So every time you use it to top up a Grab Pay mobile wallet, you'll get a 1.7% cashback. Then if you spend via the Grab Pay card, you will earn additional points. But wait, that's not all. This combo is even more powerful than that. That's because it lets you pay for a lot of categories that are normally excluded by normal credit cards. Stuff like hospital bills, tax payments, insurance payments. All these are usually large amounts, which easily cost a few thousand over dollars. And now you can use this combo to pay and earn cashbacks on them. The trick is to pay via ASS, either online or by going to ASS machines. That's because ASS accepts the GrabPay MasterCard. So you can pay your insurance, town council fees, hospital bills, electric bills, telco bills, your IRAS tax, and even HDB loans to earn even more cashbacks. However, there are two things to take note of. First, you won't earn any Grab points by paying through ASS. So you will earn at most 1.7% cashback here. And second, GrabPay wallet only lets you top up to $5,000, and there's a 30k annual spending limit. So with UOB One card paying for your day-to-day expenses and UOB Absolute Cashback card with GrabPay MasterCard paying for excluded categories, you will have almost covered all the categories. But here's another category that's not covered here, and that is rental. If you do not own a home yet, go buy one home lor. Just kidding. If you are renting a house, good news, you can also use a credit card to pay for your rental. For this, use the Maybank Platinum Visa card and Card Up combo. Here's how it works. Card Up is a service where it helps you convert credit card payments into bank transfers. So what you can do is add the Maybank Platinum Visa card to Card Up, then use it to pay for your rents. Maybank Platinum Visa card gives you a 3.33% cashback if you can spend at least $300 every month for each quarter. Then Card Up charges a 1.79% fee for the services, which means after the fees, you will still earn a 1.54% cashback. So for example, if your rent is $600 a month, you will earn a $9.24 cashback, or basically 2 cai fan without fish every month. The final category is foreign currency spend. With the world slowly opening up, you will most likely be traveling overseas, right? For this, you have a few options. First, Citi Cashback Plus card paired with Instagram Amaze card. Citi Cashback Plus card gives 1.6% cashback with no minimum spend, while Instagram Amaze card gives 1% cashback on foreign currency expenses. If you add both up, you will get a total of 2.6% cashback on your foreign currency spend. The best part, Instagram Amaze doesn't charge any fees for currency conversion, so the only fees will be just forex spread. Mount Lion tested the spread, and he found that the spread can be up to 0.55%, which is actually quite low. So that's Citi Cashback Plus card and Instagram Amaze combo. So that was my perfect cashback card strategy. It's super easy to do, totally not complicated at all, and best of all, it gives you the highest amount of cashbacks possible. But do you know of any other cashback card strategy? Do comment down below and let me know. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.